Just hold on here. Is that you again, Lawrence?
Sheriff, look. This time I'm telling you the truth. I'm locked inside of Vitelli's basement with this guy.
Rocky Road?
Yeah, like the time you told me about the 50 Iranian terrorists who took over all the Sizzler steakhouses in the city?
Lawrence, get back here! No, leave it up.
Just like that last prank about all those little creatures that multiply when you throw water on them.